Hi guys, welcome to my channel Serve Condensed. I am back with Sunday dose of information. Today's topic is why negative crude oil price is not reflected on fuel price. For the first time in history, on 20th April 2020, the crude oil price fell below $0, reaching negative numbers. What do negative numbers mean? It implies that producers need to pay to get rid of oil. The obvious reason for this drop is that the world has come to halt due to COVID-19 outbreak, and that means fewer people on road. This created imbalance by increasing supply more than demand. Countries that produce crude oil are running out of reservoirs to store produced crude oil, and they need to find a way to sell the oil. How is it traded? The future sellers estimate demand and sell to contracted buyers at the contracted prices. When the oil price dropped in April due to unpredicted pandemic, countries which import oil needed to buy at a contracted prices even though crude oil dropped to negative. What does all these mean to India? India imports more than 80% of its crude oil, and to avoid losses, one can obviously guess is to reduce imports. It seems like the situation is favoring the drop in petrol and diesel prices for consumers, but chaos has been observed in the country with a rise in price. Why is this happening? Firstly, due to rupee and dollar mismatch. Second, oil refinement cost. Thirdly, due to taxes imposed by government. Last, damage control by marketing companies. Why diesel is being sold at a higher price than petrol? And yeah, that has been happening for quite some time now. To know more, read my article on www.servecondensed.com and hit the subscribe button to get updated. Thank you.